Have you ever wondered how to run more than one operating system on your PC? Imagine the thrill of being able to switch between your favorite operating systems right from the comfort of your own computer. Today we journey into the world of technology, exploring the fascinating process of running multiple operating systems on a single PC. Buckle up, because this is going to be an exciting ride. The first step in this process is to ensure your PC has enough resources. Running multiple operating systems requires a decent amount of processing power and storage space. So make sure your PC has at least 4 gigabytes of RAM and ample hard drive space. Next on the agenda is choosing the right virtualization software. A variety of options exist, such as VMware or VirtualBox. These programs create a virtual machine on your PC, which acts as a separate computer where you can install and run a different operating system. Once you've chosen your software, it's time to install it. Follow the prompts provided by the installation wizard, and in no time, you'll have your virtual machine up and running. Now comes the fun part: installing the operating system. For this, you'll need an installation disk or a downloadable ISO file of the operating system you wish to install. Load this into your virtual machine and follow the on-screen instructions to install the operating system. The final step is to tweak your settings. Each virtualization software has its own set of options, allowing you to customize your virtual machine to your liking. You can adjust the amount of RAM allocated to the virtual machine, the display settings, and much more. And voila! You've successfully set up your PC to run more than one operating system. Now, you can enjoy the best of multiple worlds, switching between operating systems with ease. In summary, running multiple operating systems on a single PC involves ensuring your PC has enough resources, choosing and installing the right virtualization software, installing the desired operating system, and tweaking your settings to your preference. So, there you have it. An exciting journey through the world of technology, culminating in the setup of multiple operating systems on a single PC. This just goes to show, with the right tools and a dash of curiosity, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Stay tuned and keep exploring.